Standard 10th, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, 6th question. Let A is equal to x belongs to W such that x is less than or equal to 2. B is equal to x belongs to N such that 1 is less than x less than or equal to 4. C is equal to 3, 5. Verify that your first subdivision A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. You will have to prove it. Okay. So first they are given in set builder format. You will have to write the elements in A, B. So A will write it. Elements in A is equal to, they are given W. W is nothing but your whole number. So start from your 0. So 0, 1, 2 will not be there because up to 2 only it is given. Okay. So 0, 1. Then B is equal to your natural number. X belongs to N is nothing but your natural number. So natural number is starting from 1. But they have given 1 is not included because if this line is there 1 less than or equal to x means then you can write this 1. But they have given only less than. Okay. So you should not write your 1 over there. So what you will have to start is 2, 3. Since 4 is given less than or equal to 4, equal to is there. So you can include your 4. So the logic is whenever equal to is there, that number has to be included. Equal to is not there means that number has to be eliminated. Okay. So this is your B. Now C is equal to 3, 5. Now your first left hand side, we'll just find out A cross B union C. So in that what is inside the bracket, that we'll find it as first step. Okay. So B union C, you'll have to find it first. So write your B, that is 2, 3, 4. Then union, your C is 3, 5. So union means what you'll have to do? Club all the numbers and write it. Otherwise join all the numbers in B and C and write it. Okay. So it is 2 is there, just write. Twice 3 is there. If you write once it is enough. Again 4 you have got, 5 you have got. So this is your B union C. Now what you'll have to do is A cross B union C. So that is your left hand side. Okay. So A cross B union C. So that is equal to, write your A first. Cross B union C is what you have got, that answer. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now cross product for this is first element in A has to be joined with these elements. So it is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Second element in A has to be joined with all these elements. So it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So that is done. Your A cross B union C is done. Since we have finished our left hand side, keep it as 1. Now your right hand side, in that your first step is A cross B, you will have to find it. Second step is A cross C, you will have to find it. Then the third step is union, you will have to find it. Okay. So first is A cross B, we will find it. A cross B means what you will have to write your A. It is 0, 1. Cross your B is 2, 3, 4. Now writing your ordered pair, your first element in A joining with these three elements. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Then 1 has to be joined with these three elements. So it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So we have completed. So close your bracket. The next one is A cross C. You will have to find it. A cross C. Write your A again. It is 0, 1. Cross C is 3, 5. So which is equal to, open your bracket, your first element in A joining with these two elements. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Then 1 has to be joined with these two elements. So 1, 3, 1, 5. So since we have finished the elements, close your bracket. So once you have finished A cross B and A cross C, so what you will have to find is A cross B union A cross C. That is your third step. What we will have done. A cross B we have done, A cross C have done. Once you finish up, you will have to join. That is union is joining all the elements. Okay. So just write C what are the terms are here. So 0 comma 2 is there, so I'll just write 0 comma 2, because you are going to write only union, so you'll have to write all the terms. Okay, then 0 comma 3, twice it is repeated, so write once it is 0 comma 3. Then 0 comma 4 is there, so write 0 comma 4. Then 0 comma 5 is there, so write 0 comma 5. Then 1 comma 2 is there, so 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, and here we have got 1 comma 5. So finish writing all the terms, ordered as, so you can close your bracket. Okay, so now this we will keep it as 2, because we have completed our right hand side. So your first one is your left hand side, 2 is your right hand side. So from 1 and 2, we have got everything, both are same. Okay, you can check it. 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4, 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5. So all the ordered pairs are there, so you can write it as equal. So from 1 and 2, what they have asked you to prove it, that is proved. So A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So this is proved. So therefore we have proved from 1 and 2 the answers are equal. So with this your sixth subdivision, first subdivision is done.